Hello everyone, welcome to the U.S. Immigration News. On 20th of January 2025, Donald Trump will take the oath of office as the 47th President of the United States, and a wave of anticipation surrounds potential changes in U.S. immigration policy. President Trump has vowed to revisit and intensify policies aimed at tightening family-based immigration. With executive orders expected on 20th January or as early as his first weeks in office, families across the nation brace for a transformed immigration landscape. In this video, now let's look the 7 possible potential changes for the family-based or I-130 immigration policy by Donald Trump. If you are interested in this topic, please stay tuned until end of the video. If you are liking this video, please hit the bell button, subscribe, and like it so that you may get updates straight to your smartphone. Now let's get into the video and look at them one by one. Number 1. Executive actions to reinstate prior policies. Upon his inauguration, President Trump is expected to act swiftly, issuing executive orders reinstating policies that were rescinded by the Biden administration. Among the first to return is the public charge rule, originally implemented in 2019. This controversial policy requires visa applicants to demonstrate financial self-sufficiency, disqualifying those deemed likely to rely on public benefits. Officials anticipate broader measures this time, with stricter income thresholds for sponsors and applicants. Enhanced documentation requirements, such as detailed financial records and evidence of private health insurance, could disproportionately impact low-income families. The administration may also expand the rule to include a wider range of public benefits, potentially barring many from seeking immigration benefits. Number 2. Stricter application procedures. As February unfolds, the administration is expected to reintroduce universal interview requirements for family-based immigration applications. By eliminating interview waivers previously used to streamline processing, every applicant will need to appear in person for scrutiny. This shift could create bottlenecks at U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, offices nationwide, extending waiting times and increasing application costs. Moreover, the reintroduction of Form I-944, Declaration of Self-Sufficiency, is anticipated. This document demands applicants provide extensive personal financial details, including credit reports, liabilities, and proof of skills. Families, especially those with limited financial resources, could find the process overwhelming, discouraging many from pursuing their immigration goals. Number 3. Income and sponsorship challenges. As the administration gains momentum, attention will turn to sponsors of family-based immigrants. Proposed executive orders could raise the income requirements for sponsors significantly, requiring them to demonstrate earnings well above the federal poverty guidelines. Joint sponsors, a lifeline for many families, may face additional scrutiny or limitations. New policies could extend the liability period for sponsors, holding them accountable for a longer duration if their sponsored relatives require public assistance. This potential change is expected to deter sponsors from supporting applications, further complicating the immigration process for families. Number 4. Increased vetting for immediate relatives. The administration is likely to focus on immediate relatives of U.S. citizens, historically the least restricted category in family-based immigration. Enhanced documentation requirements, such as DNA testing to prove familial relationships, are anticipated. Additionally, medical exams may include stricter screening for conditions deemed grounds for inadmissibility. New measures may also introduce provisional visas for immediate relatives, granting temporary status until further vetting is completed. While intended to address security concerns, this approach could prolong family separations, leaving many in limbo. Number 5. Focus on K-1 fiancee visas. By the latter part of the year, policies targeting K-1 fiancee visas are expected to emerge. These visas, designed for foreign nationals engaged to U.S. citizens, could face stringent proof of relationship standards. Couples may need to demonstrate longer-term commitments, provide extensive documentation, and undergo separate interviews. The administration might also impose provisional status on K-1 visa holders, requiring additional verification steps before granting permanent residency. These changes are likely to increase wait times, delaying marriages and family reunifications. Number 6. Mixed status families and hardship waivers. New executive orders could directly affect mixed status families, where some members are U.S. citizens while others lack legal status. Policies may limit sponsorship rights for these families, preventing naturalized citizens from petitioning for undocumented relatives. Such measures could lead to increased family separations and heightened legal uncertainty. Additionally, stricter criteria for hardship waivers are expected. Applicants must prove extreme hardship to waive certain grounds of inadmissibility. Narrowed definitions and enhanced documentation requirements will make securing waivers more challenging, leaving families with fewer options to navigate legal obstacles. Number 7. Challenges and implications. While the administration's proposed measures aim to strengthen immigration enforcement, they pose significant challenges for immigrant families and the agencies responsible for implementation. Legal challenges from advocacy groups are likely to slow or halt some initiatives. USCIS, already grappling with resource constraints, will face increased workloads, leading to processing delays and backlogs. Economic implications could also arise. Restrictive family-based immigration policies may deter skilled immigrants who contribute to the economy, impacting industries reliant on diverse talent pools. Furthermore, the public backlash against family separations and prolonged processing times could erode support for the administration's broader immigration agenda. The Trump administration's anticipated executive orders on family-based immigration signal a return to stringent policies that prioritize enforcement over reunification. For immigrant families, these changes could mean longer waits, higher costs, and more uncertain outcomes. Advocates and legal experts emphasize the importance of staying informed and seeking professional guidance to navigate the evolving landscape. As 2025 unfolds, the impact of these policies will become clearer. Families hoping to immigrate or sponsor loved ones must prepare for new challenges while watching for potential legal challenges that could shape the future of family-based immigration in the United States. The U.S. Immigration News Channel provides all necessary visa information and procedures for your U.S. immigration journey. It is important to understand the United States immigration processing steps, visa application requirements, processing times, forms, fees, and more. We will continue to provide all information about U.S. visitor visas such as B1 and B2, work visas such as L1A, L1B, and H1B, student visas, green cards, immigrant visas, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, and EB5, and family immigrant visas. Thank you for visiting us today, and we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe channel for more U.S. immigration news videos.